Alright, this is Lecture 8, SI units and SI prefixes. This is going to be short. I'm not going to go in depth into what all these symbols are. That's what the problem is going to be about. So I would pause and try to fill this out yourself as we go, or just keep it running and try to answer it before I get to it. So I'm just going to go right through them. These are our base units, mostly that are present here. So M is a symbol for meter, and lowercase m I should say. Lowercase s is a symbol for second, unit of time. Then we have blank is a symbol for mole, M-O-L. Not much of an abbreviation, but that's what it is. Blank is a symbol for kilogram, kg, unit of mass. Capital K is a symbol for kelvins, our unit for temperature. A is a symbol for ampere, for the electric current. Blank is a symbol for candela, luminous intensity. We don't use that very much, but that's CD, lowercase c, lowercase d. Blank is a symbol for angstrom. This is capital A with a little degree sign over it. And that's 1 times 10 to the minus 10 meters. Just throwing that in there. That's not a base unit, but that's a unit that you should know. And then the final one, because the base unit for mass is kilograms, I also wanted to put in G as a symbol for grams, because we're going to see that quite a bit. So that's all you can say here. You just need to know the base units and any of these units as well. And then the prefixes, a little bit more involved. So we have what we have here that you have to fill in is the appropriate prefix, the multiple, or the symbol. So we have the name of the prefix on the left. On the far right we'll have the symbol, and in the middle we'll have the power of 10 that is related to it. So nano is 10 to the minus 9, and it's not specified nano what, nanometers, nanoseconds. It's just 10 to the minus 9, 1 billionth, and then lowercase n. So we're just filling blanks. We have K here, and that is kilo, and that will be 10 to the third. And then we have 10 to the minus 2. It's not specified the symbol or the name, so we have our prefix. So we have the centi, and that will be lowercase c. Then we have mega. That's a million, that's 10 to the 6th, and that's capital M, as opposed to lowercase m. Make sure that you get that capital, making it look like a capital. Lowercase p is pico, and that's 10 to the minus 12. Then we have, so on this side would be deci, and this would be lowercase d, 10 to the minus 1. Milli is 1,000th, or 10 to the minus 3, and that's lowercase m. And that's a little distressing. We just run out of letters to use, so that's also meter, but it's never a problem because whatever the context in will tell you whether you're dealing with milli or meter. And then micro here is 10 to the minus 6, and that's spelled m, micro, that way. So those are all the prefixes, their symbols, and their powers of 10. And then lastly, fill in the blanks with the appropriate name or symbol. So the symbol for megameter is capital M, lowercase. And as I said, I'm moving fast because there's not too much to say here. Pause if you need to try to guess, get the answer before I do. The symbol for centisecond is lowercase cs. The symbol for blank is dA. So D is deci and A is ampere, so it's deci ampere. The symbol for blank is this mu mole, so this is micromole. Make sure you put the E on the end in this case. The symbol for kilo candela doesn't come up very much, but lowercase k and then CD. And that one, no one would know offhand unless you'd have to see it in context, definitely. You wouldn't guess that offhand unless it's part of a problem like this. The symbol for picogram is PG. And the symbol for blank is kg, that's kilogram. So not all of these units of measure are usual ones, but any of them are possible. That's why I'm using some of the more unusual ones to make it a little trickier. The symbol for blank is nk, so that's nano Kelvin. And the symbol for millisecond is lowercase m, lowercase s.